Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about fake news detection using machine learning. This topic is extremely relevant in today's digital age because fake news spreads very quickly and influences public opinion often in negative ways. I am Mohammad Hamza and with me is Nurul Iman. We are from Department of Creative Technology. These are the table of contents which we are going to discuss. So basically fake news is any information shared as factual but is false or misleading. It has become one of the most pressing problems in our digital society. Consider how fast news travels on platforms like social media. It's almost impossible for humans to fact check every problem. Let's dive deeper into the problem. Fake news doesn't just mislead individuals, it can destroy societies. For example, false reports can sway elections, create panics due to crisis, and harm reputations. Manual fact checking is too slow to keep up with how quickly fake news spread. To address this, our objective was to use machine learning to detect fake news accurately in real time. We worked with a dataset of 7,796 news articles labeled as either fake or real from Kaggle. This label gave us clear structure for training the model. Our approach is focused on two key roles: TF-IDF, a technique to analyze the importance of words in document, and logistic regression. It's in a machine learning algorithm we use to classify articles as fake or real. Machine learning has the ability to process massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. It's particularly useful here because fake news often has subtle patterns that are hard for humans to catch. Algorithm can consistently apply the same criteria, unlike humans who may have bias. By training our machine learning model on labeled data as real or fake news, we created a system that can accurately classify new articles. Our dataset came from Kaggle. Title, headline of the article, text is which is full of content of the article, and we labeled it as fake or one for real. We use data pre-processing, text cleaning, tokenization, and stop word removal. Feature extraction, which I have discussed earlier, TF-IDF, vectorization with n-grams, and model selection is logistic regression as the primary classifier. Dataset composition. The dataset comprises a total of 7,796 samples of news articles, each labeled as either real or fake. Source of the dataset. The dataset is publicly accessible on Kaggle, making it an ideal resource for researchers and developers interested in fake news detection. Key columns. The dataset contains three essential columns: title, text, and label, providing comprehensive information for classification of tasks. Dataset cleaning process. Prior to analysis, the dataset underwent a rigorous cleaning process to eliminate missing values and duplicate errors, which will enhance the data integrity. Balanced representation. The dataset ensures a balanced distribution of real or fake articles, which is crucial for training robust classification model. Methodologies and data pre-processing. Before we could use the data, it needed cleaning. Raw data often contains noise, things like extra symbols, irrelevant words, and inconsistent formatting. Here's what we did during pre-processing. Lowercasing to treat words like news and news the same. Special character removal, tokenization, and stop word removal, which will breaking the text into smaller parts like words and filtering our common but unimportant words. Over to Nurul Iman.
Feature extraction. After cleaning the data, we extracted features using TF-IDF, which stands for Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency. This method measures how important a word is in a document. For example, a common word like the appears is in almost every article, so it's not very useful for analysis. We also looked at unigrams, single words, bigrams, two-word combination like breaking news, trigrams, three-word phrases like fake news detection. Model selection. Logistic regression as baseline classifier. Logistic regression was selected as the baseline classifier due to its simplicity and effectiveness in binary classification tasks. Suitability for sparse data. This model is particularly suitable for handling sparse data, which is a common feature of TF-IDF vectors generated from text data in fake news detection. Analysis of other models. In addition to logistic regression, we analyze support vector machine and random forest models, focusing on their Boolean performance scores to assess their effectiveness. High-dimensional data management. Both support vector machine and random forest are capable of managing high-dimensional data, making them suitable candidates for text classification tasks like fake news detection. Common use in text classification. These models are widely used in text classification problems, demonstrating their reliability and effectiveness in distinguishing between true and fake news. Here is the code of model selection. Evaluation matrix. To access model performance, we utilize evaluation metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. These metrics help in understanding the model's effectiveness in detecting fake news. Our model achieved an accuracy of 91.27%, which is impressive. To understand this better, let's look at two key tools. Confusion matrix. This shows the number of correct and incorrect prediction for both fake and real articles. It breaks down errors into categories like false positive and false negative. Precision recall curve. This shows how the model performs under different conditions. For example, if we make the model stricter about prediction fake news, precision might improve but recall could drop. Overall, these results show that model is reliable for detecting fake news. Limitations and future work. Limitations in current detection methods. While achieving high accuracy, current methods struggle with elusive distinctions in fake news, limiting their effectiveness. Broader array of fake news type. Future research should incorporate a wider variety of fake news forms to improve detection capabilities across different contexts. Enhancing feature extraction. Utilizing advanced algorithms such as BERT can significantly improve feature extraction methods, leading to a better detection performance. Expansion of evaluation metrics. Incorporation metrics like ROC, AUC, and TRAUC will allow for a more comprehensive assessment of model performance. Real-world applicability investigation. Research must focus on real-world applicability of detection models, considering the evolving and dynamic nature of fake news. Future directions. To address these limitations, future research can focus on using larger and more diverse datasets. This would improve the model's ability to generalize. To conclude, our studies shows that machine learning is a powerful tool for detecting fake news. Logistic regression, despite its simplicity, achieved high accuracy and showed how scalable and reliable machine learning can be. With continued advancement in technology and collaboration among researchers, policymakers, and tech companies, we can build even better tools to combat the spread of misinformation. Model performance. Through rigorous testing, the model attained an impressive accuracy rate of 91.27%, demonstrating its reliability in identifying fake news. Thank you for your attention. We are happy to take any questions.